Hi, welcome to my video of this electrical connector, which is for turbo petrol cars. There's a boost solenoid valve. This electrical connector is called Pierburg electrical connector, which attaches to the Pierburg boost solenoid valve. You need electrical connector if electrical connector is broken away for one wire or both wires, or one of these terminals broken away, or just try to get it to focus, or if you have a naturally aspirated petrol engine, if you go for turbo conversion, you need one of these electrical connectors. Also, Fort's Motorsport sells blow valves slash dump valves, which has this electrical connector. So if you ever need electrical connector, this is the connector you need. This is from Forge Motorsport's website, which I'll have the link in the description. And how I came across this electrical connector is when I was driving one day. There's no check engine light, but when I had throttle pedal pressed down, there's like no power. After doing research trying to find a replacement wiring harness, I just couldn't find any, and then came across Forge Motorsport's website for this electrical connector, and now I have to get an auto electrician to replace the problematic electrical connector, and for this electrical connector to be soldered with a heat shrink tube, which I have. My car DCU has been putting it in limp home mode, just cutting back on power. Wastegate spring is like the turbo is just not really spooling. It's not got the power. But once I've got the electrician to replace the electrical connector, it should get the turbo to have the boost back, to spool, and for the ECU not to keep the engine in and turbo in limp home mode. This is not expensive as well. This electrical connector, I can't remember, I bought it last year. I think it was about £10 to £20, just including VAT with VAT. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.